we're back here at Cebu IT Park, and tonight we're gonna have some tacos. And you know what, when it comes to food, the place to be is Sugbo Mercado, and that's where we're gonna go tonight. Let's go. So due to restriction, kinahanglan tayo mo linya, and then, you know, they have to limit the people inside. So muna, buhat sa So finally we found our taco truck. Only one day, but finally now that it is.
Our contestants for tonight, on the red corner, we have Carlo of Kalami, Cebu. Yay! On the blue corner, we have Kevin Thompson from Open Look Business Solution.
Wow.
Yay!
Alright, mechanics.
Alright, whoever eat the most taco in 5 minutes will win. Will be the champion, the first ever champion of LA Taco Truck.
Guys, apparently I'm gonna have an eating contest with him. Kevin of the LA Dodgers.
Yes, that's right. That's right.
So that's why LA Taco Truck. Okay. How can I beat the champion, guys?
I can. All right, on your mark, get set, go.
Chill.
check out our booth, LA Taco Truck by Chef Kristel here at Sugbo Mercado, and try our tacos, and also we have taco bowls. You don't want to miss out.
For all BPO employees, with every Taco Bowl order, you get free chips and salsa as well. Come out and try some authentic tacos, guys.
See you.
So guys, we just had an amazing taco fight and I won. So, you know, if you're looking for really good tacos in Cebu, you don't have to go far. You just go to Sugbo Mercado and look for the LA Taco Truck. And you know, for sure you're gonna enjoy it. I really had fun. You know, it was really exciting flavors. I was just surprised. I was eating quinoa taco. I love the carnitas, of course, the beef, and the pork and the chicken, and the seafood is also a revelation, guys. It's a really good one. So check them out, support them, help them, you know. Try them out. The next time you visit Sugbo Mercado, eat the best, you know, tacos here in Sugbo Mercado in IT Park. So I'm sure you're gonna enjoy it as well. I really love the owners. I had fun, you know, doing the contest, and I won. So of course I'm happy. But yes, check them out. Support local, guys. Check out, you know, if you want the best variety of food in one place, the best food court in town is definitely here in Sugbo Mercado IT Park. Thank you so much for watching, and see you na sa susunod na mga suray. Bye bye bye.